In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up international shipping on Shopify in 2025. Whether you're ready to expand your market to customers worldwide or just exploring the possibility, adding international shipping options to your Shopify store can open up a whole new world for your business. Not to worry, the process might seem complex, but I'll guide you through each step to get you set up smoothly. Start by logging into your Shopify account and head over to your store's admin page, where we'll begin configuring your shipping settings. Look toward the bottom left of your screen for the settings option. Clicking this will open up a variety of options for your store. Here you'll need to select shipping and delivery. This section is crucial as it encompasses all the shipping details you'll provide to your customers, both domestic and international. Once you're in the shipping and delivery section, you'll want to create a new shipping profile. This is a pivotal step that allows you to specifically manage different shipping conditions and rates for various regions. Click on Create a New Profile. After that, you'll see an option to add a new shipping zone. Click Add Shipping Zone, as this is where you'll specify which international locations you plan to service. Now let's give this zone a name. Naming your shipping zones can help keep your settings organized, especially if you're managing multiple international locations. Following that, choose the specific countries you'd like to include in this zone. Shopify offers a comprehensive list of countries so you can tailor your shipping options to your business needs. Once you've selected the countries, click Done. This action will confirm your chosen shipping zone. Next, you'll need to establish the rates for shipping to these international destinations. To do this, click on Add Rate. Here you have a couple of options, using a flat rate or using a carrier or app to calculate rates. Flat rates offer consistency, but using a carrier may provide cost savings or more accurate charges based on real-time data. After selecting your preferred rate method, name the rate for easy reference later. Names like Standard International or Express Global are simple and descriptive. Then input the price you wish to charge. Remember to consider any special promotions or general competitiveness when you set this amount. Finally, click Done to finalize the rate details, and remember to save all your changes by clicking the Save button. This ensures that all your hard work implementing these settings sticks and is ready to go for your international customers. By following these steps, you've opened up your Shopify store to a global audience, providing a seamless shopping experience for your international customers. This setup exemplifies a fundamental shift toward a more connected, international approach to e-commerce, setting your store for new heights in the global market. Thank you for following along and happy selling.